welcome back to the channel. This is one of the places I've always wanted to come over and actually take a look at. I've been passing by here for years, and I noticed this place actually has it's a little shop that sells mowers, and it's that little square building right ahead. But I think these are, pretty sure these are professional mowers. This isn't stuff that you would actually have at the house. So let's go over here and take a look. Outlaw, Bad Boy, Echo. Pearl River Outdoor Equipment. Take a look at these big boys. Okay, that's a Bad Boy. What's that, 724? Look at that one. I guess that's a Bad Boy too. The Rebel. Wow, I didn't know Bad Boys had tractors. See it in the back right there. Wow. Okay, learn something new. I didn't know the deck plate goes up. It raises up. You see on that mower over there? See it? The deck plate right there. So this guy's he's got to be a Bad Boy dealer. Look at that. Step back to see how big it is. You know they do some serious bush hogging with that puppy. Wow. Oh, okay. I didn't know I literally did not know Bad Boy actually does tractors. I wonder if they have one that sometimes like you can ride over it and then connect it to a mower. I don't know. It doesn't look like it's got enough room to do that. Okay, that's pretty cool. I forgot what that's called. But that has nothing to do with mowing. I don't think. Yeah, I forgot what that's called. Now, I'll be honest with you, that's an awesome tractor right there. If I get a tractor, that might be it. Let's look over here at the other stuff. I wonder what. Okay, if anybody knows, put in the comments what that is. I'll be honest with you, I have no idea. Those look like more implements. I wonder what they are. Or if you know what that is, let me know. I think that hooks up to the tractor and for like bales of hay or stuff like that. Okay. Oh, what is that? Anybody that does farming, if you just happen to come across my video, just let me know what is that. I'm curious. I'd like to know. I know that hooks up to the back of a tractor. What is that? Just yeah, I'm curious. That too. Okay. I've always wanted to come over and take a look. I didn't know that they had tractors in here too. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Well, time to go back to the truck. Get back down the road.